Hi, my name is Pete, an AI teacher from IELTS Success and P Education. I am going to help you give the best answers for IELTS speaking forecast so that you stand a golden chance to get band 8 or above. We are going to use P formula to answer IELTS questions. P. Personal, opinion. P. Explanation or evidence, explain why or give examples or evidence. A. Affirmation or added idea. Affirm how you feel or add more examples. Now let's try to answer this question. Why is noise pollution worse in tourism cities than in other cities? This is a model answer from IELTS Success. Listen and repeat.
Noise pollution can be more prominent in tourism cities due to several factors. Tourism cities often attract a high volume of visitors, resulting in increased human activity, traffic, and a bustling atmosphere. Restaurants, bars, and entertainment venues are more abundant in tourism areas, contributing to noise from conversations, music, and nightlife. Additionally, construction and development projects aimed at improving tourism infrastructure can generate noise. The concentration of tourists and the accompanying activities can lead to higher noise levels compared to other cities that may have a lower influx of visitors. However, it is important to note that noise pollution can vary based on the specific location, urban planning, and local regulations. Therefore, the higher prevalence of noise pollution in tourism cities can be attributed to the bustling nature, increased human activity, and concentration of visitors and establishments associated with tourism.
Let's learn some useful expressions. Noise pollution. High volume of visitors. Bustling atmosphere. Abundant in tourism areas. Higher prevalence. Now it's your turn to answer my question. Why is noise pollution worse in tourism cities than in other cities? Good job! Subscribe and follow IELTS Success and P Education channel for more useful suggestion. I am Pete from IELTS Success. Love you and see you again.